Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you are going well with your days and with your lockdown routine as well as with your Ramadan. You are most welcome to this channel, English Language and Learning. And this is a grammar class for all English lovers, those who want to learn English language to participate in their comparative exams, or those who are interested to learn new words, new phrases, and exciting or informative words. So you are going to get a benefit from this video. Don't skip the video, stay till the end and learn these words with me. So we are going to learn phrases with take. Take जिसके मायने होते हैं लेना, इसके साथ कौन सी phrases यूज़ होती हैं, कौन से verbs यूज़ होते हैं और उनके meaning क्या होते हैं. First is take back, to return something, वापस ले लेना. You should take back your disparaging words. आपको अपने insulting remarks जो हैं, insulting words जो हैं, वो वापस ले लेने चाहिए. Take down, write down. The students are taking down the notes. लिखना, कुछ note down करना, take down करना. Take off, to remove clothing, hair or leave. He took off his shirt or hat. Hat उतारना, शर्ट उतारना, और पुट ऑफ करना क्लॉथिंग, या फिर जैसे प्लेन टेक ऑफ करते हैं. एंड देन वी हैव टेक आफ्टर समबडी, टू रिजेंबल इन अपीयरेंस और कैरेक्टर इट मे बी. शी टेक्स आफ्टर हर मदर, वो अपनी माँ जैसी दिखती है, वो अपनी माँ से मुशाबिहत रखती है. सो आई हैव गिवन यू द मीनिंग्स and I have also made one sentence, but this is not the limitation, this is not the end of this. Try to learn these words, understand the meanings, and then try to use these words in your own sentences. Like take back के साथ you can also use like he came to take back his bag, वो अपना बैग वापस लेने आया. He always asks me to take back his contacts list, his books, his belongings. वो हर वक्त मुझसे अपनी belongings और bags वापस लेने का मुतालबा करता है. In this way you can make alternative words, you can make new sentences, you can encourage your creativity. And if you find any difficulty in making the new sentences, you can ask any question and you can go with these new sentences by flourishing and frilling your language. Then take down, it simply means write down. जिस तरह students जो हैं lecture चल रहा हो, notes take down कर रहे हों, and if for example एक new learner है language का, वो उसके पास एक डायरी है, उसमें वो अपने notes write down करता है, notes take down करता है. इसी तरह take off जो है छोड़ना किसी जगह को, चले जाना, उतारना. Then we have take against, to dislike something or somebody. It means कि किसी से नफ़रत करना शुरू कर देना, किसी को नापसंद करना, किसी के खिलाफ कोई साजिश करना, किसी के खिलाफ ही बोलते रहना. It means कि she always takes against my opinion. That means कि उसे हर वक्त मेरी राय से इख्तलाफ होता है और वो मेरी राय को नापसंद करती है. And you can make your own sentences like why don't you take against me? तुम मेरे खिलाफ ही क्यों जाते हो? He took against the trial in the court against me. उसने मेरे खिलाफ कोर्ट में ट्रायल लिया. Then take away, to remove something or somebody from. Time can take away the memorable moments. वक्त जो है वो यादगार लम्हों को ले जाता है, यानी कहीं पे ले जाना, किसी शख्स को कहीं पे ले जाना, किसी चीज़ को किसी जगह से हटा देना. She took away the pictures of her late father from the wall. उसने अपने मरे हुए बाप की तस्वीर जो है वो दीवार से हटा दी. Then we have take on, to start, continue, to accept, to hire. It means कि आप कोई काम कर रहे हैं तो उसको आप जारी रखें. कोई नया काम शुरू करें, नया बिजनेस शुरू करना, नई जॉब शुरू करना. कोई कंपनी है तो वो अपने नए वर्कर्स को हायर करेगी तो टेक ऑन होगा. माई कंपनी इज़ गोइंग टू हायर 1000 वर्कर्स दिस ईयर्स. Then she took on her new job in a garments factory. Then we have take over, to take control, kabu pana, to control karna. He took control of this area at government orders, کہ اس نے گورنمنٹ کے احکامات پہ اس ایریا کا کنٹرول لے لیا ہے. یا پھر پاکستان آرمی took over the hilly areas of Pakistan, or Pakistan army took over the Indian borders, or like any other sentence you can make. There's no need to make biased sentences. We can make different creative sentences that can enhance our creativity. Okay, this was all from my side. Understand the meanings of these phrases and try to make your own sentence.